Enter tree-lined drive to a tranquil 3-bedroom/2.5 bath home on 1.79 acres. This serene land has beautiful view of land and or rolling hills from almost every vantage point. All the advantages of the country, conveniently located 10 minutes from I-840, easy commute to Nashville, and 10 minutes from Spring Hill. Enjoy outdoor living on deck or large patio. Trees bordering much of the property give a feel of privacy, a rare find. Plenty of room between neighbors. No mower fees? Move-in ready home is crisp, clean and well maintained. Scraped wide hardwoods and vinyl tile on main floor. Primary owner's suite on main floor with large walk-in closet and separate vanities and separate tub/shower. Kitchen boasts gas cooktop and oven, stainless appliances, granite and a breakfast nook. Separate dining room. Whole house, Central Vac system. Each bedroom has large closets with additional closets and storage throughout. 2 fixed shelves.